Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. And for today's video, I will teach you how to create a Facebook account on your iPhone or iOS device. But before that, you need to have an email address or mobile number that is not yet connected to any Facebook account. Okay, so first you have to download your Facebook apps if you don't have yet. Or simply open your Facebook apps if you already have it on your device. And then click Create New Account. Then click Get Started. Then enter your first name and last name. Then click Next. And then here, enter your birth date. Then click Next. And then choose what's your gender. If you are male, female, or you may click more options to choose another gender. And if you're done, you may click Next. And then here you may enter your mobile number, but if you don't have, or if you don't want to use your mobile number, you can click Sign Up with Email. In this case, I don't want to use my mobile number and prefer to use my email address. And after entering your email address or your mobile number, click Next. And then here, create your password, then click Next, and then save. And then here you may read the Facebook's terms and policies if you want to, and if you agree, click I agree. And after that, a 5-digit confirmation code will be sent to your email address or mobile number. Enter the 5-digit code here, then click Next. And then here you can upload your Facebook profile, or you may click Skip if you want to do it later. Then click Next, Next, and Next. And that is how you create a Facebook account. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more video tutorials.